열어놓기. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. I'm in my bucket list country, top one, literally. For only 1 hour, I'm gonna head to Dubai. I honestly don't know where to go. Okay, found my gate. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. 6 hours of flight, officially in Dubai. How are you? Okay. Yeah, great. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's check the view. Holy shit! Damn, this is amazing. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm in Dubai right now. This is my first day and I woke up and I got this. Dear Kaiwan, Oppo RENO 2. I honestly just checked it out. I just tested a little bit. It's charging right now. Android phones nowadays are insane. So I'm invited by Oppo itself, especially Oppo at Oppo Jordan. And I'll be covering the whole event today, and they give me one of these phones, their newest release. Look at the design first before we get into detail. Look how it's beautifully insane, like wow. It has 4 lenses, ultra wide and ultra 5x hyper zoom. It comes with a case, which I really like that. I think every phone brand should do that. And overall, it's really fast to play with. It has like 8GB RAM and also 256GB storage, which is insane. I mean, this phone is #1 right now in China, and they are trying to kind of promote it more in the Middle East side and also in Europe. And honestly, I'm so glad to be a part of this. Soon I am gonna test the camera and make a full review about this phone, so stay tuned for that. Now I'm gonna enjoy playing around with this phone and I'll catch you guys up later. So I just got to the entrance of the event, Burj Khalifa. Super high. What the fuck? I mean, like, come on, like, what the? Anyway, shall the event begin, and let's see what's gonna happen. How are you?
Good.
I am the influencer, I guess. Okay, so Oppo RENO said that I'm an influencer, so I can officially call myself an influencer right now. Yeah, by the way, this screen is huge. It's like a promo for Oppo, the new Oppo. Insane, right? Alright guys, right now we are about to start the event. A nice background. A lot of influencer, media, organizers came to this event. I'm really excited. Shortly we're gonna start the promo for this phone, and we're gonna see what this phone will offer. guys, so I just got back to my hotel. The event was super interesting and I keep testing this phone, especially the camera. These are the pictures that I took after we finished with the event. I mean, I'm honestly so impressed, especially the wide angle. I know a lot of phones nowadays have it. For example, the new iPhone have it, but the price of that iPhone is like insane. This is like half price. I know it's Android, but it still works perfect. The screen is amazing. The detail, everything is so sharp. So guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I will see you tomorrow. I'll test this bad boy a little bit more and get back to you guys. Bye.